Good morning students. Today in this video I will show you the effect of some natural indicators on acid and bases. So first of all I will show you how some natural indicators you can prepare at home. Here it is turmeric solution. You put a few little powder of turmeric and dissolve it in water. This is then this solution is ready, and this is China rose flower. Here it is blue litmus paper, which is easily available in your laboratory. This is red litmus paper. This I have taken sodium hydroxide solution, and this is the lemon juice that consists acid. Citric acid is present in lemon juice, and here it is sodium hydroxide. Now first of all we will prepare some natural indicator with the help of this China rose and turmeric solution. So see here how it will be prepared. You take a piece of paper, okay, then first I will show you how this China rose indicator is made. So remove all the petals and rub on a piece of paper. Now whenever you rub on a piece of paper, you will find that the color of the paper changes. So after rubbing, it will be your indicator, or that China rose indicator is ready. So I have already made, you can see here, this is the China rose indicator. Now for preparing turmeric indicator, what you have to do, you have to take the turmeric solution and apply it on piece of paper. So like that, this experiment you can do at your home also. So here like that it is prepared. You draw like that here and then dry this paper into sun. So now what you will find? You will find this type of turmeric indicator. You will get it. Now I will show you the different effects of acid and bases. Here I have already told you that this is acid and this is base. So let us see. First I will do with China rose paper. Okay. Now here I have taken two sheets of paper, two different sheets of paper. Now what I will do, I will apply, in one paper I will apply acid and in other paper I will apply base. So let us see. So first I am putting acid on this paper. So this is lemon juice. Here I am applying, and you will see the change which occurs. You can see here, whenever acid is applied on the paper, then the color it changes. So that purple color changes into beautiful pink color. Now let us see what will be the change in color when the base is applied on China rose paper. Now let us see. So you can see here the change in the color of the paper. Here when acid is applied, the color will become pink, and when the base is applied, then the color will change into green. So this is a natural indicator that you can make at your home. Now let us see with the turmeric paper. I will keep here. So here it is, I am taking one turmeric indicator paper. First I will write it with the acid. See that slightly the color is changing, that is yellow color. Okay, that is yellow color. Okay, so whenever acid is applied on turmeric indicator, then the color will become yellow. Already it is yellow, but little bit there is change, so that is yellow color. Now let us see what will happen when this turmeric paper, on this turmeric paper base is applied. So let us see, this is the base. So I will write it with the help of base. Here I am writing. So you can see that how the color changes. So whenever the base is applied on turmeric paper, then the color changes from yellow to red. If you don't have any base at home, that you can apply soap solution also, because soap solution is also basic in nature, and lemon is easily available. If lemon is not available, then you can use tomato also, because in tomato acid is also present. So this experiment you can do it at home. Now I will show you that how in lab the acid and base are tested. So this acid and bases are tested with the help of litmus paper. One will be the blue litmus paper and other will be the red litmus paper. So let us see. You can see here the color of the litmus paper is blue. So whenever this blue litmus paper is dipped in acid, then let us see what is the color, or what will be the change in the color. See here, whenever blue litmus paper is dipped into the acid solution, then color will change into red. Okay, now let us see what will happen when blue litmus paper is dipped in base. There is no change in the color will remain as it is. So when acid is added to blue litmus paper, then the color will change into red, blue to red. And let us see with the red litmus paper. So when red litmus paper is dipped in acid, then there will be no change. The litmus paper remains same. But whenever you put red litmus paper into bases, any base, then the color will remain what? It will change. That will red litmus paper change into blue. So what does this indicate? It indicates that in basic solution, the color of the litmus paper changes from red to blue, whereas in acidic solution, the color of the blue litmus paper changes into red. And what about this turmeric indicator? So whenever turmeric indicator, when acids are placed, then the color will change into yellow, you can see here. And whenever base is put on turmeric paper, it will changes into red. And when this on China rose paper with acid, it will change it into pink color. And when it is base is applied, then the color will changes into green color. So this is all about the natural indicator. Thank you. Have a nice day.